In this video, I'll show you how to turn on full light mode on your iPhone, including light app icons. First, open the Settings app. Tap Display and Brightness. Select Light. Next, return to your home screen. Press and hold an empty area of the home screen until the apps start to jiggle. Tap Edit in the top left corner. Tap Customize. Select Light to make your app icons light. That's it! Your iPhone now has light mode enabled for both the display and app icons. Subscribe for more tech how-to tutorials.